Testing 1 2. Hello, hello. Are we live? Think we're live. We've got issues today. Hey, Timbo Trader. I like it. I like it. I like it. Fred Yeager, good morning. Best Guess Trading, good morning. Jake Dell, good morning. I am Bruce Lee, good morning. Tanush, Lawrence Harris, good morning. Savannah, Jim, good morning. Good morning. Sorry we're late. Got issues this morning. Jim O, good morning. Frank Mortimer, good morning. Jeremy Shaw, good morning. Well, it looks like we're still stuck in this mode with YouTube. I don't get it. I don't get it. But oh well, whatever. Trying to figure out. So yeah, we've got issues this morning. So affordable indicators. Affordable indicators website is down. Wait, your affordable indicator started working just now, Jeremy Shaw? Really? Okay, hang on. Let me retry it. How do I change that? All right, market dumping here. Okay, so if you're saying that it's back, Jeremy Shaw, so it's back. Wait, yours is still down? I haven't gotten any notice that it's working. Let me see. I just joined their Discord. Oh, it says licensing was up for a minute, now back down. I don't know. So, I mean, I'm trading, I guess, on Tradeify until that's fixed. I just don't. I was actually, the reason it's taken so long is I was trying to figure out, like, do I even still know how to trade with just NinjaTrader chart tools? And man, I struggled, and I don't know, I probably could, but that way you guys can see this is the influencer cup account. The P&L is up top. Can I make this bigger? I don't think so. Hey, good morning, Matt. How we doing? Day 3 of not trading the New York session, and I'm having FOMO. Hey, that's not a bad move, but hey, good news. We did pass 5 more Apex 150Ks. Let's go. Actually passed it in the overnight session. Took like 3 trades with 10 contracts. I took 3. I was like, maybe I need to start doing this kind of trading to pass 150Ks. I took 3 trades and had a profit target of 3,000. And I basically risked the whole account for 3,000 profit. And I took 3 trades, and we had 3 winning trades, thankfully. It was on this move higher. So pretty happy about that. I think I'm good. I don't know. I thought about trying to pass more today, but kind of okay with where I'm at. Kind of okay with it. Hey, Michael Musa. Good morning, Michael. Thank you, Fred. Thank you. Mine works now. Really? Okay, I'm waiting to see more confirmation. I'm gonna try something here. No, mine is still not working. Mine is still not working, unfortunately. Okay, market being very difficult this morning. There's nothing to do here, but I am going to be looking to trade my trade day influencer cup account. We have some bad news to report, by the way. We are definitely in second place in the influencer cup right now, unfortunately. But it is what it is. We still got plenty of time. We got plenty of time. Man, this is very choppy. Very choppy here. Wow, look at that rip. All right, can we get above this? Man, I don't even know how to get this thing to work. Very choppy this morning. Yeah, we're still at the username. It's so frustrating. I tried to do more research in the overnight. I was trying to yeah, couldn't get any. I didn't get any information on it. ES just hit new daily highs. Oh wow, so we're lagging a little bit here on NQ. Experienced massive slippage on top SlipX trading at the open. Ooh, yikes, Willie C. Hey, good morning, Black Coffee. Good morning. How we doing? And look at this, dumping it right back down. This is insane. Unreal. It's almost tempting to go along right here off the 940s. But as soon as I do, you know we're going to dump. I'm just going to wait. We chilling. Yeah, when ES and NQ are not syncing up, it's just always a little confusing. I just want to see if we feel like we need to go a little bit lower today. I think we need a little more pullback here before let's see if we can get like a pullback back into even like this really 850 area would be nice. Man, this is actually, I don't know. This is actually tempting to try. I might take a stab here. Nah. All right, losing the 900s. I hate trading like this on Tradeify. Test those 900s. Come on, let's get a nice bounce off the 900s here if we can. All right, I might have to bail. Thing is being difficult. Come on, bounce. Do something. Of course, that's when we go. You got to be kidding. All right, we're good. We waked up through the 930s. I don't trust it. Every little pop is just getting sold off. I feel like this is a good spot. All right, testing the 930s again. I just got to be a little bit more patient. Got to be more patient when I'm in the trade. See what happens here, the 950s. Man, I should have got to be more patient. Hey, Pac West Poto, stream feels weird. I know, Pac West. I don't like it any more than you do. Trust me. I hate this. I hate trading on it like this. But I don't really have a choice. Unfortunately, affordable indicators is down, and I just feel more comfortable using this than the old Ninja Trader chart trader. I was playing around with it a little bit and just did not. Anyone else Replicanto not working in Ninja? Citizen Zero, I haven't tried it this morning yet. Hey, good morning, Niles. Hey, Faustas, good morning. It looks like waiting for a Trump tweet. I hate how you can't do bracket orders on group trading or Tradeify. Yeah, that seems like so dumb. Don't know why you can't. All the way back up, man. I've got to learn how to hold my trades. Unbelievable. We had an entry at the 910s. Sick. Makes me sick. Do I have a breakdown video on him? On what, Slaya? Hey, good morning, Slaya. How we doing? Oh, you mean Lucid? I don't actually have a video, but it's literally, I mean, there's really not any rules other than don't hit your day of loss limit. That's pretty much it. They do have, you know, get to basically it's very similar to Tradeify. Oh, you maxed the 100K on Tradeify? Yep, same. I did too, Slaya, so sucks. By the way, guys, I actually did lose my Tradeify live account a couple days ago, so it is what it is. Now I don't know what I'm gonna do. They said that I can go back and trade Eval or trade sim funded accounts, but basically my payout will just be immediately transferred into a live account. Trade Sinker is acting up as well. I see. How many payouts to live? 6. Slaya, 6. Trade Sinker is acting up as well. Interesting. All right. I mean, this is kind of the level that we've been struggling to get through. So kind of interested to see here if we're going to make this move above or not. All right. Looks like we're going higher. All right, testing the 90s. Let's see if we get above that 25,000 or not. Whoa, there it goes. 25,000s. Oh, imagine I just hold. Just gotta learn to hold my trades. Now, if we pull back into this 990, 985 area, then I might take a stab there. Oh, geez, that was so bad, Phil. Come on, market. Now go. Let's go. All right. Can we make new highs? Got to get above that 25,025 now. Hey, we actually held until... Oh, my cam is not even on. What in the heck? You guys, what happened? Why did... Has my... Wait. Has my camera not been on this whole time? For real? Are you guys kidding me? And just now someone mentioned, man, I think that's like clarification. I don't think I need a camera. You guys didn't even notice the camera wasn't on for half an hour. It's crazy. Oh my God. I'm such a dork. I am such an idiot sometimes. I literally forgot to turn on my camera. Oh man, maybe you guys did tell me and I just didn't see your message. What is going on? All right, market. Let's see if we get up through the 30s here. All right, let's see if we take out those highs. We noticed, but figured you were having major tech issues. That's funny. We're just used to muting and feed buffering, etc. I have trained you guys very well. Pass a new 150K. Let's go, RXHX. I did too. I've got 5 Apex 150Ks past this in the overnight session. Wah, wah. Let's go. Actually pretty happy about that. Actually pretty happy about it. And there she goes, 530s, 25030s. Here we go. Okay. I'm still I'm going to be chilling a little bit here. Are we going to break out and just keep ripping it higher? Oh man, we're just ripping higher now. Yeah, we're trying. I'm trying to take advantage of that. That $85 one-time lifetime activation fee is ending tomorrow at midnight. So you basically have today and tomorrow to take advantage of that deal, and do feel like it's worth it. Yeah, best guess trading. Trust me, I know all about it. I didn't, yeah, it's kind of weird. I didn't know that if their website goes down, they got issues. I'm sure they're trying hard to fix it. All right, I want to wait. We get a pullback. I'm just kind of waiting for a pullback now. Man, I love a pullback back into like the 990s. Would be nice. Trying a one and done trading. Backtesting shows my system only gives 1 to 2 trades before 11 a.m. Hey, that's really good, Citizen Zero. That's really good. By the way, guys, I haven't officially decided this, but I think I am going to I think I'm going to do I was listening to the audio book of oh man, my brain is scrambled this morning, but it's the book where you basically take 30 trades, only take 30 trades of your setups. That's it. And don't like basically put in your stop loss, take profits, and don't touch it. Do it for 30 days or 30 trades, I mean, and see what happens. Try not to overthink your entry, not overthink it once you're in the trade. And yes, Mark Douglas, Kevin, thank you. Thank you, Kevin G. Hey, HID, how we doing? Good to see you. Hey, we're doing great. David Knight finally caught a nice move. Let's go, David Knight. Yeah, now not to give it back. Yeah, I hear you. You haven't been able to make it 30 trades. Yeah, David Knight, I'm kind of challenged to do that. I don't know. I was actually looking at yesterday's price action, and if I'm a little bit more patient and just take the good setups, I would have had a really nice day. And I was then reading that book, and I'm like, you know what? I should do that. Trade micros. I'll take 4 micros, take, basically, and I'm going to document 30 trades where I literally am going to be very picky about my, like, I'm going to make sure I take good setups and only that. Kind of like we talked about yesterday. Like I know I'm giving myself a little bit of grace because the last 3 weeks or 4 weeks, I've been trading a lot of evals. And like I've said, I don't trade evals the same as funded, but I'm kind of done trading evals. I know I still have 3 trade day accounts. I do want to pass those 3 trade day accounts. But after that, I'm ready to fully focus on trading only my funded accounts and looking for the best setups. And that's it. And I'm literally playing the long game. I don't care if it takes 2.5 months to get to a payout. I'm okay with that. I know that's how I'm going to lower my expenses. Like, you kind of have to think about this in the correct way. The way I'm thinking about it, yeah, it might take me 2.5 months to get to a payout if I trade micros, but it will also take away my expenses. Like in that 2.5 months time, I'm trading all my accounts, copy trading them all together. I should not have any expenses. And having 2 months of no expenses, and building up for payouts then sounds like a good time to me. And I just need to do it. Wow, look at what is going on here. Jeez Louise. Unbelievable. This market is on steroids. Wow. That's crazy. That is crazy. Look at this rip. I mean, we just need to wait for that pullback. I don't know. Doing one of those times again where we're just going straight higher. And it's difficult to... Ay, ay, ay. All right, I don't know. Are we going to get a pullback here to 25,100s maybe? Wow, what a nice move. What happens with your accounts? What do you mean, Melvin? Sorry, I'm not sure what you mean. Oh, you mean what happened with my accounts? I mean, I still have all my accounts. It's just right now, affordable indicators is not working, so I can't show them. It don't work. It's kind of unfortunate. Had to take a break, go on vacation. I was caught up in degeneracy of trying to get back funded accounts as quickly as possible. Yeah, Citizen Zero. That's kind of honestly where I feel like I'm at a little bit. I've been passing and trading evals so much that I just feel like I've been taking such random trades a lot, and it doesn't feel good. Like, it just feels kind of dirty. I mean, it makes me feel dirty. So I'm just gonna, I'm really looking forward to, I don't know, I'm looking forward to slowing down. Hey, Slaya, thank you, my friend. I appreciate that. Let's go. I think, okay, I'm trying to remember. Lucid, I think, has a 200,000 cap. So let's go. That's where I'm gaming at. This time, Slaya, I was very dumb in how I traded Lucid or Tradeify. I could have gotten way more money from Tradeify if I would have traded a little bit smarter. And I didn't. But I learned my lesson. Hey, Mendoza, how we doing? Number plus 309 on the day. Number one of my funded. Let's go. Let's go. Black coffee. You're having FOMO. I'm just trying not to even watch. I prefer just to pretend like it isn't happening. Well, I don't know. Oh, by the way, guys, I did get some funding ticks accounts. I ended up going with straight to funded. And full disclosure, basically I was given an opportunity or a choice. Funding tick, I don't know this for certain, but I kind of assume funding ticks noticed that I wasn't trading any of their accounts, and I guess they don't really like that. But I told them, I'm like, hey, I'm waiting for a good deal to come out. Once a good deal comes out, I'll add funding ticks again and I'll trade it. So they told me that they'll give me an account for free of my choosing, one account. So I said, well, hey, if it's free, I'll take the 100K straight to funded account. So that's the one we got. I got too early on the last contract though. Yeah. I mean, profit is profit. All right, market pulling back a little bit off of that 100 level. See, this is always okay. Like, this is actually a really good example of, like, for a good setup. Technically, I mean, this is is this the 21 EMA? Yeah. 21 EMA on the 5 minute or on the 2 minute, and then on the 5 minute. One thing I thought about trying as well is the 21 EMA on the 1 minute. and just add that as well for basically when we have these kind of really strong moves higher, and just see if that has any relevance to it. But once I start trading my funded accounts and I do the challenge of 30 trades, it is going to teach me patience. And that goes for off stream as well. 30 trades, period. If I take a trade, I'm going to document and basically mark up all of my trades. So any trade I take, it's got to meet my setup. And in order for it to be a good trade, not only does it have to be the right setup, but I have to make sure I put in my stop loss and my take profits, and I can't change. Like, I don't want to be getting out early based off of a feeling or an intuition. Basically, just take my setups and allow them to work for 30 trades. That's the challenge. And I'm not sure if I'm going to do it. I think I'll probably do it starting next week, or actually I might do it tomorrow. I just didn't want to start doing that today because, I mean, I'm not ready quite yet. You can get paid in as little as 5 days instead of 8 on Lucid. Yes, technically you can. I mean, the consistency rule, like, but yeah, you could. Yeah, I'm not sure that my risk is always going to be like perfectly the same. But basically, if I enter here, my stop loss is below this candle right here. That is basically how it's defined. And then I just have to adjust my contract size. My contract sizing is just going to have to be adjusted based off of, wherever that stop loss needs to be. Yeah. Okay, Clyde. Yes, exactly. Exactly. Yes. But more or less, I want the stats to reflect that I took 30 trades. I don't know. It's like a challenge. I look at it like a challenge of, can I actually take 30 trades without deviating and getting in on an intuition trade or getting FOMO and entering a trade on FOMO? Like, you know how it goes. Like, it's so easy to do that. It's so easy to, all of a sudden you see a setup and like, oh, that's got to be good, and then you jump in and then all of a sudden it's a loss. And then you look back, you're like, man, that wasn't even close to a setup. What was I doing? So that's kind of the challenge. I'm looking forward to it. All right, market. I just want to wait now. This is one of those times where we got to wait till we get closer to this EMAs. I'm trying to make sure. Is this right? I think so. Excuse me. You think we're going to dump here, RX, HX? Hey, we might. So do I lose an account if I hit daily loss limit instead of end of day? No, it's a soft breach on daily loss limit, Slaya. Soft breach. Yep. What size account? Did you say which size accounts you went with? And the evals are straight to are 1 day to pass as well. I don't know if you went with evals or with the direct to funded. Yeah, I agree. My EMAs don't look right. I agree. I was thinking the same thing. But it says 21. Am I missing something? Okay, the direct. Let's go, Slaya. I love it. You got this. That's actually how I got all my payouts. Currently, I have a little bit over 30,000 in payouts with Lucid, and it's all from those accounts. Honestly, I would just go for $1,800 a day. I was very aggressive, and I mean, you can make some bank. Yeah, mine are way off. I agree. It looks way off. How do I? It's so annoying. Am I using the wrong EMA or what? Am I using SMA? All right, let's just redo all this. Moving averages, EMA. 21. Input. What? Why is this? Oh, that's better. How do I delete these? Here. Delete you. Delete you. Okay, now we're talking. Okay, let's change this color. Let's make this one yellow. Okay, that's better. Okay, so this is the 21 EMA on the 2 minute, 21 EMA on the 5 minute. So now we just need to wait for a little bit of a pullback here. We're just gonna be waiting. Yeah, I must have had the SMA. What would you have done differently with Tradeify? Dove Gordon. So what I would have done differently, I took 3 accounts only to the max payout level. That was the mistake that I made. So basically what happened then, I was transitioned to a live account, and then I couldn't go back in the sim funded, where what I should have done is, before I requested that fifth or that final payout that was going to put me into a live account, I should have just let those accounts go, gotten 2 other accounts, so I have max 5 accounts, and then take enough payouts so that those accounts catch up with the 3, and then request a payout for the 5 payouts once, you know, they're all ready to go. I go for per account. Well, I did, Slaya. I don't anymore so much, but yes, 1,800 per day, because that is the 20% consistency rule. I would go, I mean, that's what I would do in the beginning. I would go 1,800, 1,800, 1,800, and then I would slow it down as I got closer to the $9,000 target. But that was kind of my strategy, so to speak. And I was trading 5 minis at the time. Let's go, Slaya. All right, this thing does not seem to want to drop. We're putting in a lot of wicks here. A lot of wicks here, but man, this looks like it's prime for another rip higher. Let's see if it can go. All right, I'm going to check. Did you wait? Are you saying we're back? The affordable indicators is back? Let me see. Let me refresh my things. Wow, we are going to just break back above. Okay, let me... I think we're back. I think, hey, we are back. Let's go. All right, let me check. Is everything working? Woohoo! Let's go. Affordable indicators. It looks like affordable indicators is back. Did Tradeify crash? I think it was because I logged back into my Ninja Trader, I think. I'm going to assume that was the issue. All right, I'm double checking something here. Okay, 1, 2. It reset my things. Why? That's so annoying. Let me see. Hang on, guys. Just give me a minute. Give me a minute here. I'm gonna try to fix this on the fly. I hate it. I hate it when it does this. All right, are you guys ready for the reveal? Here we go. Boom. Let's go. We are back, baby. We are back. Oh, man. All right, market. Now, let's somehow, some way, we need to make some money on this influencer cup, guys. I mean, here's the thing, guys. What I actually want to get your guys' opinion. Actually, you know what we should do? Let's do a poll. Let's do a poll because this actually does affect you guys. Let's do a poll. Okay, so why doesn't it show your total balance at the bottom for the Apex accounts? Because they're evals. They're evals, Wig Sniper. I don't really track, or on that, I don't track the evals, so. Oh, really? Yours crashed? I see. Okay, now we're getting another pullback. Lost connection, had to get back in, went right on the day. That's unfortunate. Day one on Lucid Direct 150K, I lost. Second day, I gained back. Yeah, that's the bad. Melvin Bryan. So the way I always did it, and I would I would recommend you do this as well, Melvin. Obviously, you can do what you want, but on those Lucid accounts, if I hit daily loss limit, I would always just focus on getting half of it back the next day. Just get 1,800 back the next day, and then get 1,800 back the next day. That way you still stay within the consistency rules. And, you know, I don't know. I think it's better that way. How did I make 64K? It's just evals, guys. Don't worry. It's just this. I mean, all of these are evals. The only thing that really matters is the 8,000 that we made in our Lucid funded accounts. So we went pretty hard on our Lucid funded accounts overnight, and we caught some really nice trades. All right, here's the poll. Here's what I want your feedback on, guys. Here's what I want. When do I be more aggressive on this influencer cup? And here's the pros and cons. Obviously, I want to trade, and I want to trade this influencer cup to win it. If we don't win it, then, I mean, it doesn't really benefit you guys or myself if I don't win it, right? So if we win it, I get $5,000 cash, and you guys get $5,000 cash. So it's a pretty big motivation to try to win. But obviously, we're going to have to go a lot bigger size and be way more aggressive if we're going to have any chance of winning. Unfortunately, CFT, he had a $4,400 day yesterday. So that's why I say this. All right, I'm going to start the poll. Please vote. I'd love to see what you guys think. I've got a feeling I know what you guys are going to say. Also, we have, so obviously here's the other side of this story is we could just go slow and hope everybody else blows up. That is another route to winning. So we could go that route. We just go slow and hope everybody else blows up. That's the other strategy we could take. There is still plenty of time. Yeah, Pine Tree, how you doing, buddy? So we have until Friday in a week is when it ends. So Friday in a week is when it ends. So we basically have, 2 weeks, 2.5 week, or 1.5 week. We've got a week and a half, to do whatever we want to do. Obviously, in the funded stage, once you blow your funded account, you're done. You can't go back into evals. So obviously, there's some there's some downside. If we lose the account, then hey, we tried and we failed. 15 contracts and a dream. See, it is what it is. It is what it is, but this is what's going to happen. I'm not joking. That is what's going to happen. In the end, the last couple days, it's going to just turn into a YOLO tournament where people are just going to go 15 cons and hope it works. Yesterday around 6 till now, on, okay, now we can look at the 15-minute chart. Yeah, I have seen that, Slaya. Like, it's a very strong uptrend. This is the hourly chart. Very bullish hourly chart. I mean, isn't this crazy? We are about, it might happen today, guys. We might retrace this whole 1,200 point dump lower. We might retrace that whole thing today. So that's wild. That is wild. Man, it's good to have the chart trader back. Whew. That chart trader, I rely on that chart trader quite a bit. They spent a lot of energy to get it back up here. Yeah. What is with Apex taking 2 months to evaluate my account for live trading? They won't let me get any more evals. Yeah, Pat Budnick. Trust me. I don't know what's up with that, but that's, I don't know. That's just how they do it, I guess. Let's see. I want to look what the daily chart. I mean, look at this daily chart. Wow. This market, I tell you what, feel like we are in for a bigger pullback at some point today. Kind of have a hard time believing that we're just going to actually keep ripping this thing up all day, but it does seem like it. Yeah, we really don't. I agree. Like the next, the 60, like the next thing we've got, even, I mean, we could see some resistance here at the 200s. We could see some resistance at the 170s, but I actually don't have any levels marked until the 250s. I mean, are we going to get all the way back up to the 250s? I don't know. That seems crazy. That seems crazy. What are those green zones? I just put these in. I use a 15-minute chart. I don't know. This is just how I like to put in levels. No magic wand or anything, but technically I should probably actually have a level here. I should have a level right here. I'm not sure. I thought I actually had a level there, but I must have removed it, maybe by accident. All right, we just need a pullback. I love a pullback back into like the 80s. Let's see if we can get it. I wonder, how's the poll going? All right, 77% say aggressive and 23% say passive. All right. You know what would be really cool? It would be really cool. I'm not sure a good way. I know we've tried this in the past, and there were some issues with doing it because it was an actual not a live account, but you know what I mean. Like, it was an actual sim funded account. When I was letting chat do the trading, there was some negative feedback on that from certain things, but this account is technically not a sim. You know, we could do chat trading on this account, and it would be kind of cool if you guys, you know, you guys would do the chat trading. But the problem with chat trading is, who do we choose? Like, who do we allow to take a trade? That's the problem. What are my trading goals for the last quarter, Slaya? So my goals for the last quarter, honestly, is a slow buildup. I'm going to take it slow with all my funded accounts. And honestly, I'm going to be totally happy if I just build up in a balance so that I am ready to take payouts starting the new year. If I don't even get another payout from now till end of the year, I'm okay with it. I'm not going to chase payouts. The only thing I might do is, I don't know, I might try some, maybe I'll try to get some Top Step accounts again and just see if I can't really, you know, be aggressive and get some nice payouts, maybe. But that's like the only thing I would possibly do to be like my aggressive trading would only maybe be for that. Who Slaya says pick you, Timbo, Kellyanne. No, Kellyanne would not be allowed to, because she wants me to lose. Because I'm competing against Kellyanne. Let Kevin trade it. Do a poll. Do a poll to buy or sell. 2 minis and no stop. Market Momo slowed down. Yeah, it has, David Knight. We've definitely slowed down here. I have to, exactly, Christian L. Exactly. Like I've been saying. Oh, I was so disappointed. I was so disappointed when I saw he made 4,400 yesterday. I'm like, no. I was so hoping he blew up. Hey, he might blow up today, guys. You never know. You never know. Maybe, maybe, maybe. I usually don't like to cheer for someone's downfall, but hang on. I just realized. Okay, getting a pullback. Possibly our first time touching the EMA here. This could be our first touch. You know what? I want to check something. I've been meaning to check this. And I keep forgetting. I'm just going to do it now. So 21 would be 10. Okay, I might keep this on for now. I don't know. This would be the 21 EMA on the 1 minute chart. So basically we have a 21 EMA on 1 minute, 2 minute, and 5 minute. I just want to watch. I want to have it on my chart and watch it for a while and I want to see it. Man, we getting that bounce right off of that. Come on, really? I wonder if you can snap, let's say, the 2 to 5 minute chart and upload it to ChatGPT and see what it says. I've tried that, Slaya. You know what I've tried doing? Here, do this. Look at the one. No, where would it be? So you can take a snapshot, like zoom out your chart, take a snapshot of it, and ask ChatGPT where the market's going to go next. The next 12 hour, for the next 12 hours. Or I asked ChatGPT, find me a previous 2 minute chart pattern that replicates this, this pattern. Oh, I've tried ChatGPT. I'm not like a huge believer in it, but I think it's interesting. I like playing with it. I like playing with it. I've never actually like taken it that seriously. I could do that, John. That's not a terrible. Can you imagine though if I win? If I win because it's ChatGPT. Here, let's do this. Let's just try it. I want to see what response we get. Make sure he can see the numbers. All right, I'm going to use ChatGPT for this. Oh, okay. I got to pay attention here. Sorry, I'm kind of busy with this ChatGPT thing. Let's see what she says. It would be kind of fun, John. It would be. Keep it on the download chat. Nobody gets to say. Oh, yeah. If this ends up working really well, we're going to have to delete this live stream. We'll just delete the live stream and we'll just pretend it never happened. What? That's actually impressive. Okay, this is not terrible. This is actually pretty impressed. I'm impressed. So this was what ChatGPT told me. And look, I just took a screenshot. This screenshot, I uploaded it. And I just said, based on this photo of the 2-minute chart, what trade should I take? And it said, current market conditions. This is what it's impressive. Price is currently retracing into a previous demand zone, green box. So it noticed that. And sitting right above the EMA cluster. It knew it was a 10 EMA and a 21 EMA and a 52 EMA. Those are my EMAs, literally. That's insane. And order flow VWAP. Oh, wait. Was that included up here? Actually, I think it was. Yeah, that's how it knew. Okay, you're not as smart as I thought. Then volume, then Wada explosion. Bull momentum just cooled off, but hasn't flipped bearish yet. Trade setup options. Long setup, high probability. Entry zone, 2580s or 90s. Look for a bullish reversal candle on the 2-minute, confirm with increasing volume, and a green on the Wada tar. Stop below 25060. First target 120. Second target 140. Dude, I'm in. Who's in, boys? Who's in? I like this. I like this. I don't hate it. I don't hate it. I don't hate this at all. That's technically, it's crazy. That's insane. ChatGPT literally called out exactly what I was looking for. That was exactly what I was looking for. I'm waiting. I just got done saying I'm looking for an entry off of this EMA, and we got it. So do we enter here? We've got to go in with 2 minis, though. I'm doing it. Okay, the stop. Where is my stop? Below 25060. Oh, dear. Please help me now. This is going to be ugly if we get stopped here, but... am I going to take that big of a loss? Oof, I don't know about this. This makes me nervous. Wait, that's not what I want. Hang on. That's a big stop loss. Oh no, we almost got filled accidentally. Where's our first target? It said first target 120s. Man, this thing is aggressive. This might be a big fail. This could be a fail. It's not my fault. It's not my fault. ChatGPT's fault if this loses. The trade is in, folks. Yep, 2 minis. Hey, we said we're going to go aggressive. That was the call. That was the call, so we're going to do it. Fingers and toes crossed, everybody. Come on. ChatGPT for the win. You know what? $1,200 loss. It would suck. It would suck, but it is what it is. Not terrible. I've had worse. Rip it! Oh, you know what? ChatGPT. Hang on, let me ask something. What is a good song to play for the market? Oh, no. To make the market go higher. Oh, wow, look at that. Ben and Rose. Ben and Rose, slowly but surely. That's impressive. Ben and Rose, slowly but surely. Wow, ChatGPT really is smart, guys. I tell you what, ChatGPT, I can't show you that proof, but just trust me on this one.
Slowly but surely, I'm falling in love. I'm falling in love.
Come on, market. We need this thing. We need a ripper. You can do it. Is it? I kind of want to put my stop right here. I think I'm going to. If I get stopped here and this would have worked, you can crucify me. I just feel like it's more responsible. Yes, take my word for it. Take my word for it. Oh, is the music too loud? Hang on. There we go. That's better. I'm falling in love.
I'm falling
Come on, market, rip it,
with you.
you
Slowly
dingleberry.
but surely you're winning my heart.
And you're winning my heart.
It seems to be stuck here.
You're just what I wanted.
You're just what I needed.
You're my every dream come true.
Put the stop on 60 like ChatGPT recommended, so if not work, you can blame chat.
I'm falling in love. Yes, I'm falling.
Where is my stop now? 67. I mean, if I move it here, is that really? If we break here, we're gonna get here. Am I wrong? You know what? ChatGPT said below the 60s. You know what? We're gonna listen. We're gonna listen. All right, we need to pause the music. We need to pause the music. Mm. We might be in this trade for a couple hours. Hey, Pine Tree. No, don't do it. No, no. Hey, wait. We need to hide my. We need to hide. The problem with. I actually need to weigh. It's actually a problem. If I'm showing my trades on the Influencer Cup and I'm the only one doing it, people are just going to watch me and fade it or whatever. It's kind of a problem. You're going to stream snipe me. Exactly. Rip it. Come on, market. One time. I'm going to go get a water and I'll be right back.
Don't say a word. Shh. Shh.
Wait, Will Grimmer, what do you mean? No Tradeify influencer challenge. What do you mean? What happened? What am I missing? Please go higher, market. Keep going. Rip it. Come on. ChatGPT for the win. Come on, baby. It requires every fiber in my being to not take profit here. I don't know. I can't. I feel like it's dumb not to take this, guys. I gotta take this, right? I'm taking it. Don't talk to me. If this breaks out above the 120s and goes to the 140s, I don't even know what I'm gonna do. Nothing. I'm not gonna do a single thing. I'm just gonna cry a little bit inside. So Tradeify is doing a trading competition. Is that what we're doing? What is this space? This space is turning into a trading competitions. That's all we do now. Am I invited? Oh, I'm so oh. Tradeify Grand Cup, the biggest futures trading comp of the year. Knockout format, $1 million prize pool, 200,000 grand champion. Free entry for Tradeify. Okay, first of all, $200,000 grand reward. Is that cash prize money? How is that actually being paid? Harris, yeah, the drawdown for the 150Ks is why I like them. Yep. So bottom 30% of traders knocked out every day. All right, guys, give me just a minute. I'm trying to find something here. Man, we could have bought in again here at the 80s, but right now we're just, maybe we trade the range. The only thing I don't like about this whole move is this here has not been exactly bullish, so it's probably best to wait for a little bigger pullback. All right, what? All right, for all those interested, if you guys want to join for the wait, what? If you guys want to join the Tradeify Grand Cup, you have an opportunity to put in an ambassador code. If you want to put in code NBT and support the channel, I would really appreciate it. Wait, what is that code? Can it only be a certain amount? And we're right back down into this 85 area. Man, this is kind of tempting. I'm going to wait. I'm going to just wait because usually we see a little bit of a dip lower before we then continue higher. Right now, it looks like the market is resting. It is resting. Should I ask ChatGPT again? What is the challenge from Tradeify? So basically, they have like $200,000 cash prize, and it's going to be done in a couple different. So week 1, week 2, the bottom 30% of the competition will be eliminated, and then the final competition, only the top. Is it the top 50? Top 200. So then the top 200 traders, then from November 30th to December 12th, the top 200 will compete. So basically, it's like a knockout challenge where you have to survive. It starts November 2nd, and then you have to basically make sure you are not in the bottom, the bottom 30% to advance. You do get, oh, there's the bigger pullback. Hey, we did the right thing, guys. We did the right thing by taking profit. If we didn't take profit, we would have gotten stopped out now. Yay. So, pretty cool. It should be a fun competition. I like these kind of competitions. I think are way better than, I mean, the PW competition was fine, but the PW competition for 1 week only with that kind of setup is just, I mean, it's just a YOLO. It's just a YOLO challenge or a YOLO. All right, market. Getting a little bit of bounce here off of the 21 EMA on the 5-minute here. If we can consolidate on this candle, I need a consolidation candle here, and then we can get an entry. I'm not going to enter up here. All right. Do we take it? I think we got to take this. If we break above, then maybe we need to take a screenshot and ask ChatGPT again. Yeah, ChatGPT was a little too aggressive on their targets. Other than that, it was actually the trade worked. All right, if we get filled here, I'm only in one contract here, and I'm just looking. My target is going to be right here. Not looking for anything too crazy. Can't believe I didn't get filled. Okay, there it is. This is 11 o'clock. This could be one of those where we kind of, a little bit of a fake move higher and then we just continue rolling over. I'm a little bit wary of that. I'm a little scared of that. Oh, come on, market. Really? That is exactly what happened. You little prick. That is unfortunate. Okay, 11 o'clock hour. It's doing the old roly-poly. It's doing the roly-poly move. I was afraid of that. Could have taken about $100 winner there, but whatever. This is the time of day where we see this a lot. I don't really trust the longs. I gotta wait. Maybe we want to come all the way down and test the 25,000s again. Maybe. I mean, we could, if this gets, I mean, the 21 EMA on the 5-minute is holding currently. All right, here we go. Let's see if we get down through that 50, 55 level. All right, I'm going to ask ChatGPT again. I'm going to ask ChatGPT again, see what it says. Hey, Peter Schaap, good morning. How much did I spend for all those accounts, Benson? I mean, I don't know specifically, but I need to update my expenses again. We're probably getting, by the time I activate my newly passed Apex evals, I don't know, we're probably getting close to 64,000 in expenses for the year, so I don't know how much it is exactly for that. Enough, I can guarantee that. Enough that I don't want to lose them. If I do, I'm going to get mad. All right, here we go. This is the new update from ChatGPT. Excellent. This updated screenshot shows the 2-minute chart progressing after that earlier pullback. Let's break it down clearly. The market retested the prior demand zone of 25,075, 085, but failed to hold it. Price is now trading below the short-term EMAs, 10 and the 21. The 52 EMA is currently being tested. True. The order flow VWAP remains below at 24,980, showing the broader bias is still bullish, but intraday momentum has shifted to bearish consolidation. Volume, you can see rising red volume bars on the last few candles, confirming short-term selling pressure. All right, here we go. Here are our options currently. Short trade options based on current structure. Short setup, higher probability. So now it did a flip. It flipped its theory. It's saying we need to go short. It says the break below EMA cluster and demand zone is your first sign of intraday weakness. Price rejected from the top consolidated area. The struggle suggests potential move towards the VWAP or mid. Trade plan, entry, short, between. So now it's saying go short between the 25.65, 25.75. If price retests that broken zone previously, stop above the 25.090s. And the targets are the 25.20s and the 25,000s. And look for WADA explosion bar, increasing retest rejection candle. Summary. Right now, the long setup is invalidated. So it knows it was wrong. I'm going to ask ChatGPT now, why were you wrong on the first trade? Oh, she's gonna get mad. She's gonna get mad. Oh, use the 15-minute chart and get a screenshot? True. The original thesis, it says, in the first chart, the market looked strongly bullish. We had a clean setup, controlled pullback. VWAP was below price. What actually happened, the retest failed. Price couldn't find buyers. Structure shifted. Oh, I tell you what, this guy is full of excuses. The lesson, here's the lesson. Good trades can fail if the market context shifts. The initial idea was valid given the data at that moment, but once the candle closed below support, the setup invalidated. Next time, wait for confirmation of buyers stepping in, a strong reversal candle. I did do that. What are you talking about? If support breaks, flip bias fast. Oh, geez. In short, I wasn't wrong because the setup was bad. I was wrong because the market changed character and didn't confirm the premise. Oh, all I hear is excuses, excuses, excuses. Yeah, John. Oh, now she's gonna get really mad. I just called her out. ChatGPT would be a great influencer. I agree. Then I just told her, I said, all I hear is excuses, excuses, excuses. And she said, fair. That's actually a really sharp way to hold a trading analysis accountable. Let's strip away the fluff and look at it in cold trader logic. More excuses. More excuses. Oh, ChatGPT, you are... It's unfortunate. All right, well, supposedly we're supposed to go short up here at the like 6. Actually, technically, we're supposed to go short somewhere right here. The only reason we didn't have a losing trade was because I took profit before I'd said I should. Why is she a she? I don't know. She just kind of talks like a she, okay? Let me ask her, what's your gender? Oh, look at this rip. Uh-oh. Oh, I wish I was long. I don't have a gender. Think me more like your trading co-pilot than a person. But if it helps the vibe, you can imagine me whatever it makes easier to talk. All right, I'm going to call you a she. Deal with it. We're not going neutral. Nope, not doing it. How much liter of water did you just use? I forgot. We just drained the oceans just now. I forgot how much water we use every time we use it. Yeah, we're definitely harming the environment right now. I forget. I wish I would have remembered. It would be funny if ChatGPT would tell Nutty she loves him. Oh, dear. All right, market. I mean, this technically... Do I take a short here? Ooh. That's what it said to do. My stop would be above this. Oh, man, I actually... I don't know. I don't hate the short here, but what if the ChatGPT is right? You know what? Let's take one contract short. I kind of like it. And we're going to take profit right here. And our stop is right here. Dump it! Dump! Yes, baby, yes! Oh, baby! ChatGPT for the win! Oh! It's too easy! Too easy! Okay, ChatGPT, I'm going to tell her, I just took your trade and it worked. Let's go! That's going to make her happy. We're not supposed to talk about... Oh, yeah, you're right. No, we can delete the VOD, Caroline. It's fine. Okay. Oh, look, ChatGPT is very fun. She said, let's go. She responded. Here, look, she responded with, let's go. That's what I'm talking about. Clean setup, solid execution, no hesitation. That flip short off the retest zone played out exactly by the book. Oh, let's go. Now, before the adrenaline fades, here's how to lock it in like a pro. Trail your stop. Too late. Take partials. Too late. Journal it immediately. Okay. Can you journal it for me? I'm too lazy. This is... she's smart. This is... she's a smart cracker. She's a smart one, folks. Hang on, I got to take this call. All right, we're back. We're back. Okay. Man, ChatGPT is on a roll. Man, I should have done 2 contracts. If I go 2 contracts there, our first target, we're almost at the first target on that one. Woo! I'm going to wait. I'm going to wait till we get to the VWAP here. And then we'll take another screenshot and see what ChatGPT wants to do. I mean, right now, ChatGPT technically would have had a loss, but we actually turned it into a winner. But that trade was spot on. I mean, she called that trade out to the T. I mean, that's impressive. That is impressive. Might be my new way of trading, guys. I don't know. Might be my new way of trading. Just we got to keep this between us. Hey, Kellyanne. Kellyanne is in the building. How we doing, Kellyanne? Good to see you. Are you here to spy on me? I know every single one is watching those recap videos. You're lurking. I know you are. Just come out. Come on, Ike. Don't even pretend like I know Ike is in here. Ike is in here watching. They're spying. Don't even pretend like you're not. Come on. Get in here. Oh, look at that. Oh, ChatGPT for the win. I know, Kellyanne. I'm trying. That little prick. Somehow, I hope he blows up today. That's all. I did a special prayer this morning and hope that he blows up. I'm just kidding. I didn't do that. Maybe a little bit. How did you do that with the ChatGPT? I mean, I just take a screenshot. Look, guys, if you don't believe me, look at this. This is ChatGPT right here. I took a screenshot of the video of this chart right here. And I told ChatGPT, I asked him, based on this photo, what trade should I take? And this is what he said. Short setup, enter at the 65s or 75s, target at the 25,000s. I mean, it called it out to the T. I mean, that's insane. Yeah, special prayer of destruction. It went right to the VWAP. We're going to have to delete this live stream. This is too powerful. I mean, I don't want to go out on a limb too far here, but I think this is a better indicator than Dodgy's little indicator that he I'm sorry, I'm not going to go there. Let's be kind, let's be nice. All right. Now I feel like we need to look at this again. All right, we're going to have to see what ChatGPT thinks of this now. All right. Here is an updated photo. Great call out on the previous trade. What trade should I look for now? Question mark. All right. I'm going to have to start charging you guys for this. We should track ChatGPT. I know. I feel like ChatGPT right now is smarter than I am. So, okay, here we go. Best case. This is what it said. Market currently. So it said, perfect. This new 2-minute NQ chart shows you caught that earlier short beautifully. Ah, it warms my heart. Nobody tell ChatGPT, okay? Don't tell ChatGPT that I only took half size and I took my profit way too early. Don't tell her. Now, let's evaluate what's setting up right now. Current market read, trend, short-term downtrend now confirmed. Lower highs, lower lows. You're sitting below broken demand zone of the 70-80s and under all EMAs. Volume still red bars, VWAP down below the 980s. Trade plan scenario. Base case. Look for a pullback short. Okay. We're supposed to look for a pullback short. Entry zone 60s. Oh, are you smoking something? ChatGPT thinks we're coming all the way back up in the 60s, 70s. I don't know about that one. Look for a retest of the 60s to the 75s and a weak retest candle. Stop above the 90s and the targets down to the 950s. Man. The summary is no longs yet. Trend is down. Patience. It says you gotta be patient right here. Okay. Okay, fine. Patience we shall be. Trump probably tweeted something. He might have. Who knows? Who knows? It is pretty interesting, Pine Tree. This is the first time that I actually used it like this small a time frame. So it's actually pretty spot on. Like, I can't really disagree with the call outs, to be honest. Except maybe here I would probably, like, if you're really aggressive short here, this is not a, I mean, we're kind of shorting, we're shorting right into VWAP. And I don't know, probably best to wait. Oh, man. It is using Fibonacci? I don't know. Maybe it's ICT behind the, I don't know, Pine Tree. I did see some ICT lingo that little bit of a red flag, how we're getting some of the terminology. Wow, look at this. Right back down we go. Interesting. All right, retesting 970s here. There we go, new lows. Man, that would have been the aggressive move short right there. I did not have enough confidence in it, but all right, guys. We are, hang on, sorry, 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute before I forget. Man, this is just continuing lower. Very, very aggressive move here. Man, that was such a, I mean, that's impressive. ChatGPT for the win. Wow. I wish I would have taken it. I wish I would have taken it full size. When ChatGPT starts talking about taking the inside bar, that's when I will worry. Exactly. Oh. All right, guys. We're gonna get the giveaways started. Actually, yeah, okay, fine. Giveaway is ready to go. Exclamation mark NBT. We are going to be giving away trade day evals. We are going to be giving away trade day evals, intraday. It's going to be 50K intraday evals is what I got. That's what I have for, that's what they gave me for to give away. So exclamation mark NBT, and we just continue lower. Man, that is the one area of my trading that I really need to improve on. Like, I do have some big winners, but every single time that I have some big winning trades, it is always it is always in the overnight session. You know why? Because I'm not sitting in front of my computer. In the overnight session, I'll enter a trade and I'll walk away. And that's the big difference. Hey, M. Susan, let's go. All right, good luck, everybody. On the giveaway is going to be open for 10 minutes. I'm going to ask ChatGPT to mark up my chart with both setups. That's even better. I want to see if ChatGPT can actually mark on my chart like where my setup is. I want to see if it can do it. And we continue, we're just continuing. This is a pretty big sell-off. We've got some volume. Impressive. Man, are we really going to have 1, 2, -3? Wow. We're going to have 28 funded accounts tomorrow. Starting tomorrow, we're going to have 28 funded accounts. Man, that's crazy. I did not. Is that right? Yeah, it is. 1, 2, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 28. Not counting the influencer cup. All right, market trying to. And almost, I want it to get back up into like this 980 area. If we get a move back into this 980 area and then look for a short, I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it. Wow, there it goes, just straight back down. Wow. Wow, we are going to take out the low of day here. 15-minute opening range low right here. Well, I didn't even realize this until now, probably because I was trading on Tradeify this morning. But look at this. Does this look familiar? This is exactly what happened yesterday. Yesterday, market open, went lower, and right at the 15-minute mark, we went all the way back up. And it's exactly what happened yesterday. Look. Right here. Exact same move happened yesterday. 15-minute was put in and boom, straight back up. And again today, 15-minute, boom, straight back up. It's impressive. All right, here we go. Testing the low of day. 900s. Here we go. New lows down below the 900s. Down below the 900s now. Wow, look at that dump. 880s. Oh, it makes me sick. Wish I would have caught some of this. Dude, I gotta show you guys these setups. The ChatGPT is literally drawing everything out on watch. ChatGPT is literally drawing all of my everything right here. You can see it go. That is crazy. I'm pretty sure this is definitely using a lot of water. Oh, them puppies are overheating right now. Hey, I'm over 159 on the cup. Not sure where I'm at on the consistency though. Let's go, Pine Tree. Let's go. Pine Tree. We just need, I need more people to be funded so we have a better chance of defeating that douchebag. Okay? That's our only objective here. All right, guys, there is only, actually the giveaway is about to be, okay, this is the final call for the giveaway. Final call, folks. Exclamation mark NBT, chance to win a trade day eval. This is the final call. And that's it. Sorry, guys. Rigged like pine tree races. Okay. Let's do this. Let's do this. Let me get the duck races going. All right, getting a little bit of a pullback here. All right, here we go. Let's do this. Let's do this. We're going to pick 15 names. Here we go. First name in the race, F1 Racing Gas. Man, that almost seems like a too OP of a name. Congrats and good luck. Next name, Jerry Classe. Good luck. Next name, Con Park. Con Park. I don't know if I'm saying that right, but hey. Next name, J Mills. J Mills. Next name, Only Day Trades. At first, I thought it was going to say OnlyFans, but hey, Only Day Trades. Next name, Story Time Adventures Studio. All right. Next name, whoa, Cowboy 9000. I believe he was in the race yesterday, but he didn't win. Kyle Carter 87. Kyle Carter 87. David Knight 33. Let's go, David Knight. Good luck, my friend. Next name, Anonymous Giraffe. Let's go. Anonymous Giraffe. Good. That's the OG. Here we go. You got to get rid of 5 names. Don't worry, you're still in the race. Next name. Next name. Pete Shaz. That's a tongue twister. Pete Shaz. Next name. K Trader. K Trader K. Let's go. Congratulations. Good luck. look at that. Dean Bishop. Dean Bishop is in the house, is in the race. All right, next name is Duckmaster M. Ooh, that's an interesting name. Duckmaster M. All right, here we go. This is the final name. Wait. Final name, here we go. Enchanted Grossness. All right. We got some interesting names in here. And we're going to do a 2-minute race. Here we go. Whoa, look at this thing rip higher. Man. Man, this is tempting. 1 minute, 21 EMA here, trying to see if it does something. Duckmaster. Okay, let's do this. Let's do the duck race here. All right, here we go. All aboard. And here we go, folks. Are you ready? On your mark, get set, and go. And the duck race is underway here at the Nut House. All right, here we go. We've got K Trader in the Vampire Duck. K Trader taking the early lead. We've got F1 Racing Gas at the bottom of your screen. We've got Quan Park, David Knight in close second. We've got Duckmaster as the green duck. That's going to be a name to watch out for. We've got Enchanted Grossness at the top of your screen. We've got Only Day Trades trying to make a move here. Storytime Adventures in the Reindeer Duck. And we've got a big cluster here. Now, sometime Storytime takes the early lead. Only Day Trades in close second. Then we've got Duckmaster. Duckmaster in the green duck. You got to be very wary. That's got to be the fan favorite. And the odds-on favorite to win this is the Duckmaster. Here comes Jerry. Jerry at the bottom of your screen now has taken the lead halfway through. We've got 45 seconds left to go. Preserve your energy and get ready for that final push. Here comes Jay Mills. He's trying to contest for first, and he's gonna get it. Jay Mills has now overtaken Jerry. Here comes F1 Racing Gas. He wants a little bit of the action. Anonymous Giraffe now trying to make a move. We've got 20 seconds. Who's it gonna be? F1 Racing Gas just gave up. Here comes Jerry. Jerry with a push. He's currently leading. Can he hold on? Oh no, here comes Duckmaster. Will it be enough? Duckmaster, oh, here comes F1 Racing. F1 Racing puts on the moves. And there you go. F1 Racing takes home the trophy. In the nick of time. It was a close race. Very well played by F1 Racing Gas. He reserved that energy, and at the right time, he gave it all he had. All right. Now, who was the top three? The top three will all get a trade day evaluation. So let's see. And here we go. Jay Mills we have in third place, Jay Mills, LFG. And coming in second place is Pete Shaz. And coming in first place is F1 Racing Gas. And you know it. The odds-on favorite, Duckmaster M, came in fourth place. And it was not by much, by about a whisker. So there you go. Thanks for playing. Thanks for participating. And that concludes the duck race for the day. Thanks again for playing. And congrats to those that won. Let me put my email in the chat. Here we go. Nutty Bar 1983. Okay, that is my email. For those of you that won, please take a screenshot of your YouTube channel name to make sure no one's trying to impersonate you, and send me an email as soon as you can, and then I will get you your I'll get you your code for those accounts. All right, very nicely done, fellas. Oh, the first person selected for the race actually won the race. Oh, nice. Let's go. That's true. That's true. Man. All right. This market looking like it wants to put in a V shape. You know what time it is? I think it's time we take another screen. I'm not sure I like this or not, but I've kind of gotten into a habit. I might have started something. I might have started something here. All right, I want to see what kind of theory. What is this market? What are we doing? I mean, this is kind of an interest. If we go back and if we test this 980 again, it is kind of interesting here. Okay, here is what ChatGPT says. Nice timing. This chart shows a key inflection moment. Here's how to read it. Current market context. Trend still overall down. Momentum is shifting. Looks like a strong reaction off the session low. Price action, blah, blah. Long setup scenarios or trade scenarios. Long setup. Potential reversal, aggressive. This is aggressive and requires a timed entry. Man, I actually feel like I need to take this. Might. I'm going against ChatGPT kind of, but I'm like looking a little more just for a scalp here. I'll take it. All right. Fade the rally. Okay, so it's saying fade the rally short setup is safer. Interesting. This is where this could trap the shorts and then rip back above the 980s, or we're going to get another leg lower right here and make new lows on the day. We make new lows on the day. I feel like the rest of the afternoon here, we could really see this continue to go lower. And there it goes, testing that 920. I don't know. the interesting area right here. My play-by-play callouts are really good. Thanks, John. Appreciate it. Either VWAT rejects or it rips. It does. Fact. Thank you, Pete. Thanks for the email. Wait, Pete. Yes. Okay, so let me. Hey, Duck Master. Hang on. Wow, look at that. That did trap. Trap the shorts. I'm really happy I just took my money there. All right, I need to check something. What is going on? Okay, everybody should have the email and the trade day accounts. You should have the code for the trade day accounts. So congratulations again. And we will be doing the giveaway again tomorrow. Oh man, this is another tempting entry short. Man, I'm right at the moment where I'm kind of okay with where we're at on the day. Please ask ChatGPT if gold will go to unchanged. What do you mean go to unchanged? You mean like, or just what it's gonna do? Totally left in order on my chart, didn't realize, and hoping to see an open short close in profit. Oh, thank goodness, Citizen Zero. Oh, man, dude. Oh, this is. You know what? I'm gonna just keep it. Okay. Let me check some things here. Mm. All right, market. All right, I might. NG is tighter compared to it. Oh, NQ. Ben and Rose. You got Ben and Rose stuck in your head? Nice. I'm thinking about wrapping it up for the day. I'm trying to think. I'm contemplating. Do I want to keep pushing this account? Do I want to push? Do we want to press it? See if we can't get it a little bit more. Right now, I feel like it's not the best. Yeah, see that now it is starting to have the shapes of a move back higher. Do a golf stream. Actually, I was actually that it was going through my mind. I'm like, man, I feel like I could actually go. I have some things I should probably just do around the house. I got some garage stuff to take care of. I should go do that. I should I could do some other things that are work related. Just tuned in. How did you get 10K on that Apex account? I mean, it was just an accident. It actually, you know what happened? I had I took profit and I thought I was done. I actually had the account passed. I was copy trading it, and not until, and then all of a sudden, thankfully, I was at my desk, but all of a sudden, I get randomly entered on a trade, and it was an open order that was stuck on that account. By the time I saw it and realized it, I was up 1,000. Thankfully, the one time that it didn't accidentally blow my account on a order that I didn't see. So I quickly closed it out. Hey guys, Tradeify currently just announced they are doing a flash sale, 40% off. 40% off. That's about as good of a deal that you'll see from Tradeify. So if you want to support the channel and use code NBT, that would be great. Oh, there it goes. Now we're dumping. Again, interesting. $40% off. Yeah, they're trying to keep up. Hey, that's good news. That's good news, Neo. That's what we want to hear, or that's what we like. Competition. And now we go back higher. Yeah, now we're just starting to consolidate here. Not really interested in this. We need Apex 90% off. Ooh, that would be sweet, Melvin. That's the only thing. I wish I would be able to get some accounts for 90% off, but it's fine. It's fine. Hey, well, as long as we don't go as long, excuse me. as long as we stay below the VWAP and we stay below the 980s, I kind of want to look for shorts here. But I would like to get my entry, basically like the 960s for my short entry would be ideal, which we're getting really close. I might actually take this one. Nah, now it's going to drop without me. You know what? I think it's good. I think we're smarter here just to call it a day. I think we're better off. Let's just wrap it up. Let's lock it in. We have a really nice day today, honestly. And now we are set up. I think I need to decide when I want to officially start my challenge. I'm thinking I might start that challenge tomorrow. Gonna depend on a couple things. What was the good news from yesterday's Tradeify, Jeremy Shaw? They're basically doing a competition, but right now the big thing is they're doing 40% off. Wait, excluding Lightning, what? Oh, the 100, okay, 40% off except for the 150s. The 150K accounts are not 40% off. Everything else is 40% off. Okay. Now it makes sense. All right. I think I'm going to call it a day here, folks. Lock everything in. And we will be back. We'll be back tomorrow. Bright and bushy-tailed. All right, everybody. I appreciate it. If you don't mind, hit the like on your way out. That'd be awesome. And thanks again for being here. Thanks for your support. And I really do appreciate you guys. Take care and God bless.